In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add deal tags on HubSpot Sales Hub. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to efficiently track and manage vital information about their deals. Let's dive in step by step to make sure you can easily navigate this process. To begin, open your preferred browser and head to the HubSpot homepage. You can find it by simply typing HubSpot into your search bar or by entering its direct URL. Once there, look towards the upper right corner where you'll see the login button. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Please make sure to have those handy, as you'll need to access your account to proceed. Once you are successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home. This is your main dashboard, a place where you can access various tools and features. Navigate your way to the settings by locating the gear icon, which typically sits in the upper navigation bar. Give that a click. The settings area is like your control center, allowing you to personalize and adjust various aspects of your HubSpot experience. Now within the settings, you're going to look for objects in the left sidebar. Clicking on objects will open a drop-down menu, revealing several different entities you can manage. Let's focus on deals. Select that from the list. By doing so, you're telling HubSpot that you want to manage settings related to your sales pipelines. Next, we'll head into a section very important for organizing how deals are categorized and tracked. Look for the pipelines option under the deals settings and give it a click. Pipelines are essentially the lifeblood of a sales operation, showing you exactly where each potential deal stands. Once inside pipelines, scroll down or look for the deal tags option specifically. Clicking on deal tags allows you to start creating tags that can reflect various statuses or other critical categorization relevant to your business needs. On this page, you can add new tags or manage existing ones by adding descriptions or editing their parameters. These tags are valuable as they provide insights and quick reference points for your entire team. Remember, as you work through these steps, each tag you create will appear throughout your deals section, providing a more organized and streamlined approach to deal tracking. This will greatly help in categorizing and prioritizing deals, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your deal information and enhance your sales tracking process with HubSpot Sales Hub. Thank you for following along today, and don't hesitate to revisit these instructions whenever you need a refresher. Happy tagging, and here's to a more organized sales pipeline.